Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hummus and falafel, step by step. First, let's gather our hummus ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, or about 1 1/2 cups if you're cooking them from scratch. Don't forget 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 or 2 garlic cloves. A pinch of cumin, salt, and a few tablespoons of cold water will bring it all together for a creamy texture. Now, let's blend that hummus to perfection. In your food processor, combine the chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and garlic. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend these ingredients until they start to smooth out, then slowly drizzle in 2 to 4 tablespoons of cold water until you achieve a wonderfully creamy consistency. Remember to scrape down the sides occasionally for an even blend. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Next, let's prepare for our falafel. The key here is to use 1 cup of dried chickpeas, soaked in water overnight, not canned ones. This is crucial for the right texture. You'll also need about 1/2 cup of fresh parsley, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1 small onion, and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. For spices, grab 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, and a pinch of baking soda, plus salt to taste. Finally, let's fry up those delicious falafel. Take your soaked chickpeas, herbs, onion, garlic, and spices, and process them in a food processor until the mixture is coarse, not smooth. Form this mixture into small, 1-inch patties or balls. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry the falafel for 3 to 5 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Drain them on paper towels and serve hot with your homemade hummus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.